Hi, my love. So, if you are watching this video today, then this is a very important message for you from Spirit that what it is that you truly need to know. The very first card that we are having is the Four of Swords. Now, जो भी video देख रहे हैं, I am sensing that you are divinely guided to this message. You are divinely guided to this reading. The very first message with the Four of Swords, angels आपको बोलना चाहते हैं, relax, let it go. Whatever is weighing you down, whatever is making you feel sad, whatever is making you feel lonely, let it go. Simply let it go. Because I'm sensing that something is really making you feel sad. कुछ ऐसी चीज़ है जो आपको बहुत उदास फील करवा रही है. Maybe there are certain people around you, certain relationships, something, someone is just making you feel sad. Is just making you feel betrayed, is just making you feel कि you don't exist, you feel ignored, you feel hurt, you feel disconnected. तो ये मैसेज आपके लिए है. आई एम सेंसिंग दैट विद द फोर ऑफ सोर्ड्स एंजल्स आपको बोलना चाहते हैं रेस्ट, रिलैक्स एंड रीथिंक अबाउट एवरीथिंग, कम बैक टू योर सेल्फ. ये कार्ड तब आता है हमारे लाइफ में जब एंजल्स हमें ये कह रहे हैं दैट डू नॉट रिलाई ऑन एनीथिंग आउटसाइड ऑफ यू राइट नाउ. कम बैक टू सेल्फ. You are stronger than you realize. You are more powerful than you realize. By the way, let me tell you that if you are watching this video, if you're watching this message, this is no coincidence. I am hosting a 2 days workshop on 1st and 2nd of May, Buddha Purnima pe, 1st May pe is full moon pe, and this workshop is about coming back to yourself. I will put all the details in the description box. अगर ये वीडियो आप तक आ रहा है then angels want you to connect back to yourself because literally जो कार्ड मैंने आप लोगों के सामने शफल किया, जो कार्ड भी आया है, this is going to be the overall theme and the you can say the energy of the workshop. Everything जो हमें बाहर भगा रही है, all the pain, all the negativity which is making us really weak, the workshop is about coming back to yourself. The workshop is about coming back to self. उसमें we are going to dive deep into the meditation, into the full moon energy, into reclaiming your power, into getting rid of all the old things in your life. We are going to move deeply to coming back to ourselves. We are going to move from all distractions, all negativity to ourselves. तो फोर ऑफ सोर्ड्स की एनर्जी अगर आपसे रिलेट कर रही है, रेजोनेट कर रही है, I will definitely tell you, if you are watching this before 1st of May, the workshop timing is on 9 p.m. to 10:30 p.m. on Friday and Saturday. अगर आप ये वीडियो से पहले देख रहे हो, this is a very strong energy that अभी भी you have time with you, connect and join the workshop because it will help you immensely. But anyways, if you are not watching this video on that time, still this message is going to resonate to you. If the workshop even is over, still then the message for you is come back to yourself. This is a card of meditation. This is a card of deeply, deeply surrendering to divine. This is a card of trusting the unknown. This is a card of, trusting what is yet to come and letting everything go. मतलब अभी आपको बाहर से किसी चीज़ की ज़रूरत नहीं है. ओके, आपको अभी बाहर से कोई पर्सन की, कोई नेगेटिविटी, आपको कुछ भी ज़रूरत नहीं है. ऑल यू नीड इज़ योर मेंटल पीस. ऑल यू नीड इज़ टू फील सेफ अगेन. ऑल यू नीड इज़ टू कम बैक टू योर सेल्फ. एंड आई एम रिकॉर्डिंग दिस वीडियो, probably what is the time right now? अभी रात के almost 12 बज रहे. That's why you see me in this attire. I was about to sleep. I just had a very beautiful session with a very beautiful soul, and I was just keeping my cards and I felt a strong energy that I need to shoot this video. I need to record this video. And my love, this message is for you. Let the negativity go, let the pain go because you need lot of healing. अगर आपको अभी ऐसा लगता है that you are feeling alone, you're not feeling कि आपको किसी से बात करनी है, you are feeling like you want to bring all of that energy back to yourself, this is a message because you're tired. Don't force yourself. There is a lot of rest that is needed for you right now. There is a lot of healing that needs to happen. If you are ever interested in any kind of healing services, starting from psychic protection, 7 chakra healing, heart healing, womb healing, trauma healing, childhood healing, कोई भी healing की आपको ज़रूरत है, all the list of those healing services I have provided on my website. If you ever feel called that you need my help in anything, you can reach out to me for the healing session and definitely we deeply work on those issues and healing will help you immensely. But that being said, मुझे ऐसा लगता है that this is a time of break. Whatever you're feeling is a time of break. Give it a break. Could be a relationship, could be like you're overthinking too much, could be like आप बहुत ज़्यादा अपने ही मन में कोई assumptions बना रहे हो. This is a card where you are saying enough is enough. Okay, this is a card where you are resolving things with peace. I'm seeing King of Cups and Seven of Pentacles. Okay, very strong energy. There is love coming towards you. There is a person who will be coming towards you with the Ace of Cups and the King of Cups and the Seven of Pentacles. I'm sensing time is something that is needed right now. Whoever this person is, whoever the soul is, I think the soul genuinely loves you. If you are waiting for any type of apology, any type of reconciliation, any type of message in love, तो मुझे लगता है that is going to come. That good news, that love, that healing is going to happen in your relationship. Okay, claim this reading, claim this message. You've been fighting, you've been struggling. If this video is resonating with you, I want you to comment 777 in the comment section below, claiming कि you claim all the goodness and all these energies, because when you comment this, and especially इस बुद्ध पूर्णिमा के वक्त, इस full moon पर, the energies are very intense and very very strong. If you claim this reading, if you claim this message, good things will manifest in your life. Because I'm sensing with the Seven of Wands, you're done, you're tired of fighting. You want to have some fun in life. You want to just let go of the pain. You want to just relax. You want to just have fun. You want to come back in the energy. And वो मुझे feel हो रहा है with the Seven of Pentacles. Seven of Pentacles, Seven of Wands and the Four of Swords. ये तीनों messages आपको एक बात कह रहे हैं. My beautiful soul, whoever is watching this video, come back to yourself. Disconnect from the world. Have some patience. थोड़े समय की बात है ये. Angels are working behind the scenes for you. The situation that you're worried about will resolve on its own. The situation that you're concerned about, the situation that you're worried about, the relationship that you're worried about, the promises that you're worried about, the future that you're worried about, it is all getting resolved behind the scenes. All that you need to do is stop overthinking. Put this mind on pause. इस mind को, इस दिमाग को pause पे, break पे रखो. And if you're watching this video, again, I'm feeling a very strong intuitive message that do not resist. Okay, open yourself up to change. Do not go into negative spiral. मुझे ऐसा लगता है the workshop will immensely help you, because Death card, you're going through a massive change, a massive transformation, and it is not easy. You're feeling alone. You're feeling sad. You're feeling left out, as if कोई भी बाहर की चीज is not making sense to you. Because this time angels are calling you back to yourself. Okay, come back to yourself. Don't get distracted. Don't move out of yourself. Come back to yourself. अपने में आओ. जैसे आप अपने में आओगे with the Sun card and with the Lovers. Look at this. There's going to be a new beginning in your love, in your connection, after this painful tower moment, after this pain, after this negativity. देख रहे हो आप cards किस तरीके से आए हैं. Tower, Sun, Lovers. तो ये जो टावर मोमेंट है आपके लाइफ में हुआ है, मैंने आपको बताया दैट यू डेफिनेटली फील लाइक यू कुड हैव बीन सेपरेटेड फ्रॉम योर लवर. आपके पर्सन से रिलेशनशिप में यू कुड फील सेपरेटेड, यू कुड फील सैड, यू कुड फील लाइक जैसे यू वर torn apart, है ना, internally externally. But that tower moment had to happen so that कुछ ऐसी चीजें हैं जिनका highlight होना जरूरी था with the Eight of Pentacles. And with this energy I'm sensing कुछ ऐसी चीजें हैं जिनका आपके रिलेशनशिप में आपके ऊपर सोल लेवल पे काम करना जरूरी है. And with the Fool energy, these things needed to resolve, to change. So there was a divine reason. जो भी हुआ है in terms of love, in terms of a relationship, in terms of आपको खुद को ऐसा लगना that you're disconnected, that you're feeling sad, that you're feeling low. Okay, the message is the Sun and the Lovers. And I'm so sorry because मैं थोड़ा नींद में हूँ, because I was actually about to sleep and I felt a very strong energy कि मुझे वीडियो रिकॉर्ड करनी है. That's why you're seeing me like this. But this is my most authentic, natural, जैसे हम आपस में बैठ के बात करते हैं, like that kind of vibe I'm feeling. Okay, this is very very authentic and natural. This thing, I mean, angels ka, I don't know, because this message was extremely needed. जो भी ये video देख रहा है, everything is going to work out for you. The love, the relationship, the intimacy that you're seeking, the love, the union, everything that you want in love is going to manifest for you. Claim this message, claim this energy, share this video. The more you share, the more you manifest your blessings, the more you amplify your blessings. Comment kare, channel ko subscribe kare. And if you still have time, okay, registrations will be open till May, 1st of May evening tak, probably 4:35 tak. So just reach out to me. If you feel called to join the workshop, I will put all the details in the description box. it will change your life. It will immensely change your life. You have the Ace of Cups. It will bring you back to love. Okay, so this is a message for you. Do let me know if this video resonated with you. What are you feeling? Thank you so much. Come back to your power, come back in your energy, because with the 10 of Pentacles, I feel you're meant for a very beautiful future. You're meant for marriage. You're meant for long-term stability. You're meant for that beauty, that abundance, and all the good things. I am hearing कि आपके जो blessings है ना वो 10 times multiply होने वाले हैं. Comment 10 10 also in the comment section below that my blessings are going to multiply tenfold. Why? Because you have suffered. You have suffered tenfold. You have suffered all the negativity. You have suffered the pain. And मुझे ऐसा लग रहा है some of you are feeling very sad, very alone कि बार बार ये सब cycles में मैं क्यों जाऊँ, बार बार ये सब negativity, बार बार ये सब सब चीज़ों को फेस करना. Why should I go in all of those things? With the world card, you will realize the reason very soon, and you will come out of it. You will come out of it as an evolved person. The only message from spirit is let go for now. Rest and have patience. Let go. जो भी चीजें आपको bother कर रही है, let it go. Universe is taking care of it. It will all circle back and come to you 10 times more. Right, so this is everything that I'm having for you. Thank you so very much for connecting. I will see you in the workshop and in the next video.